In this lecture, I will talk about the blockchain 2.0 and smart contract. Till now, we covered the basic concepts of the blockchain technology, bitcoins, the types of blockchain like open model and closed model. So now this is the time to understand the basic use of the smart contract and beyond the financial transactions. Normally, what's the impressions people have regarding blockchain technology? That it is a kind of Bitcoin or a kind of cryptocurrency kind of thing. But this blockchain technology have much more potential to provide solution related to all the dimension of our life, like it may be used in government sectors. Different problems may have regarding identity management and so many things, in finance sector as well, in supply chain management. So it have a lots of the scope to be used, and currently we are not exploiting the potential of this blockchain technology. So in this lecture I will be limited to the one step ahead of the Bitcoin. So let's start. What's bit blockchain 2.0 is? The blockchain, we know it's a very popular, powerful technology, and people got some impression in their mind because of the revolution of Bitcoin. But as I said, it is capable of dealing with other applications other than financial transactions. So nowadays, the industry and mainstream companies are trying to use this blockchain technology for finding the appropriate solution for the industry, for the manufacturing sector, supply chain, finance, e-governance, kind of healthcare sector, IoT, machine learning, and so many things. So this blockchain technology, when we moved ahead with the financial transaction or kind of cryptocurrency, then this movement of academia, industry, startups is termed blockchain 2.0. I will talk about the several versions of the blockchain technology in the next lecture. But in this lecture, I will be limited to this blockchain 2.0 and the smart contract. Now, what is this smart contract? As we know that in blockchain to technology, we use a decentralized platform which can be utilized to avoid intermediates, the middleman. And we know that lots of the problem people face because of the middleman. So this blockchain technology have great potential. It provides a decentralized platform, and by this technology we can avoid middleman. Now, what is smart contract? As its name suggests, you can understand by just this name contract. Like in business process, a kind of contract is always involved. So this smart contract means it will be implemented automatically by using some technology. So it is an automated computerized protocol used for digitally facilitating, verifying, or enforcing the negotiation for any business process, for any constraint or negotiation in the business process, performance of a legal contract by avoiding middlemen, by avoiding intermediates, and directly validating the contract over a decentralized platform, and that is blockchain. and it is a very faster, cheaper, and more secure than other existing solutions. Firstly, it was this term came in the picture in 1996, and it was by this Nick, computer scientist and cryptographer, and he claimed that smart contract can be realized with the help of public ledger, and then blockchain, we can say, can be uh, technology to realize the smart contract. This one example I am taking, that kind of contract is there in crowdfunding platform. What is this crowdfunding platform? It's very simple idea. Suppose we have any project, and we do not have sufficient money to complete that project, then it can be submitted to this platform, and then so many other supporters, if they will have interest, they can support this project by just providing some small funds, and then this platform ensures that you get the complete money if the project is successful. This is the condition. If the project is successful, you will get this fund. So this platform will work as a centralized entity where you can submit your project, other can submit their support, and then you can get that support from this platform. So what is the economics behind that? Both the product team and supporter needs to trust this platform. So this is the requirement, and blockchain technology provides this parameter also. The product team expects the money to be get paid based on the progress of the project. Supporter expect the money to go to the project, and the crowdfunding platform, as I said, it will avoid the middleman. However, the crowdfunding platform, the middleman takes significant charge to manage the entire process. So, how it will be? The thing seems contradictory here, but how it can be possible? It can be possible by using a smart contract. So now this crowdfunding platform using smart contract. If we will not use this, then that middleman can play as we face normally in different applications. So if we use smart contract in the crowdfunding platform, then contract, this smart contract will be a piece of code. Different platforms use different programming languages for that. Like we use Solidity programming language in Ethereum platform. So the contract is written in a code which is available to all the stakeholders, the supporters, and the product team. Now, if certain goals of the projects are achieved, then automatically this smart contract will transfer the money from supporters to the production team. And if the project goals, that is contract, fails, then the code can transfer the money back to the supporter. So that's why the both all the stakeholders will have confidence about the whole process. Now the advantage, as I said, no party will be able to change the contract once it is fixed and returned to the public ledger, that is blockchain. As we know that the blockchain platform is immutable. Second one, distributed. All the steps of the contract can be validated by every participating party. by using some consensus mechanism. I will discuss those consensus mechanism in coming lectures. So no one can claim later that the contract was not validated. For this validation, for we use consensus mechanism. There are two type of mechanism I will discuss later. So why blockchain? The first point, the blocks are immutable. No one will be able to change that. And the information is open, everyone can check and validate, which provide a kind of transparency. These are some popular platform for the smart contract like Ethereum, Hyperledger Fabric, Ripple, Rootstock software. So lots of those platforms are available nowadays. So enough for in this video lecture. In the next lecture, I will talk several versions we have: blockchain 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, and so on. So enough for today. Thank you.